Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome from Dhaka Studio and I am Shifa speaking. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and stay with me. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video topic, how to create a Facebook page. So let's get started. Open the Facebook Lite app. Press the left three-line corner. Scroll down. Press the pages. Create page. Get started. Page name. Shifa. Shifa. I want to use this page to sell product or provide service. Press tick mark. Press next. Select a category, personal blog, grocery store, local business, personal blog. So personal blog. So press next. Create your page. Touch add a profile picture. Upload a photo. Photos. Select a photo. Save. Add a cover photo. Press photo. That's save. Add a button. Send message. Create. So friends, my page create is completely okay. In this way you can create a Facebook page. So friends, next video I shall take you how to edit your Facebook page. So be happy until this time. Till then, take care. Tata.